Hello everyone, I'm Karen. I'm from China. I'm working at a beverage factory at Myanmar. During COVID-19, most of the employees are working remotely, only a few on site to perform the basic operation of order processing. Regarding the entrepreneurial mindset, I believe any type of organization, any type of person who brings positive change. For example, how can I run this place better? What problems can I solve? What can I do today that I can make this place more productive? Is about improving life. After reading the article, What Having Growth Mindset Actually Means by Carl Dweck, he states that talent can be developed through hard work, good strategy, and inputs from others. These are growth mindset. However, we have to combine growth mindset and fixed mindset. Do the calculate risk, deeply engage, try new strategy, and capitalize the setback to move forward effectively. That's all. Thank you for listening.